Hi, I'm Harry. I own Maggie, the camper van that's rented through Quirky campers. So yeah, I built her beginning of 2017 as a sort of action van to meet my needs of all the outdoor sports that I do, surfing, climbing, skiing, that kind of thing. We've triple layered insulated, big skier and snowboarder, so it's nice to know that you can go away in the winter and be surrounded by beautiful powder snow and still be nice and toasty in your van. Biggest sort of aspect of this is that we've got an amazing top of the range heating system as well, so even when it is really cold outside, you can be like 30 degrees in here, nice and toasty, a bit sauna like. And big plus about this is this van is that we've got a big fixed bed, super king bed at the back here, super comfortable foam mattress. We've had loads of people say it's the best night's sleep they've ever had, which I can definitely agree to. And this is the kitchen, so cooking anything, you've got loads of worktop space, 2-burner gas cooker, big sink so you can do loads of washing up and not have to worry about trying to fit everything in a tiny place. Big cupboard up here with all your cutlery and your teas and coffees and mugs and everything. Big fridge here which runs straight off the leisure battery and the solar panel on the roof, which, you know, keeps your beer nice and cold. Again, loads of storage underneath the kitchen for your pots, pans, cutlery, everything like that. Over here we've got the gas controls, the gas heating, loads of sockets for all your laptops and your phones and cameras. And we've got loads of more storage up here, just for clothes and personal accessories. These seat benches lift up and you've got loads of games, Scrabble, Monopoly, that kind of thing. And then under the other one we've also got a portaloo, but yeah, just lift it up and you can use it either in place or you can move it out and use it with a nice view. Got a skylight in the roof for ventilation when you're cooking. Yeah, let some nice sunlight in. All the curtains are blackout in here, so you can definitely ensure that when you go to bed you're not going to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning with the sun blinding you. This is our giant garage here. The bed's quite high, it's been purposely built like that so I can just chuck my mountain bikes and surfboards in. We've got loads of room down here. All your electrics are tucked away, nice and clean underneath here. Loads of more storage here in boxes and rails to stop everything sliding around. All your water tanks are under here, so you've got a 70-litre water tank which will last quite a long time in camper van world. So you can get three mountain bikes in here, just drop the front wheel off, and it means that they're nice and safe locked away in a van instead of just sat on the outside on a bike rack, which for me personally, when you've got very expensive mountain bikes, is really nice to know that they're secure and safe. She's nice and spacious, nice and clean, not very dark, open, really comfortable to live in, and geared up for adventures. When we go away we do multi-activity trips, so you'll end up having a couple of bikes, a couple of surfboards, some climbing equipment, and then in the winter we chuck all our snowboards and ski kit in and just off we go, jump in the van and head into the Alps or down to the beach.